Whoa. Hey, this is my first time holding these big ass shoes. I did not know these hoes was this big. What's the deal, YouTube? I just had a real life epiphany and was like, bro, why you not vlogging? So I guess I decided to vlog to let y'all know what I've been doing since I haven't been uploading. I know I'm breathing hard, but whatever. I probably should have got the workout. Now I'm finna go the weight room workout. I didn't, whatever. But I look at, just quick before we get into the rest of the video, I look at my page as not just a shoe page, but as a lifestyle page. You might not see it now. You might not see the vision, but I look at it as a lifestyle fashion, loosely. Fashion could be anything, bro. And I can't have a fashion page or a lifestyle page without being in some kind of shape, bro. My clothes don't fit right. And I decided to start working out and shit, getting my mind and body shit right first before I start just dropping shit. So I've been grinding, to tell you the truth. I finished my weight room. I'm finna go out and run. Might get a snippet of that, might not. But today, why you really click the video is to see these shoes that you probably seen everywhere, literally. It's the Jellyfish, the white on white Jellyfish. And to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what to expect. I haven't really watched no videos on them because I knew that I was gonna be unboxing them. So they arrived earlier today. So we're gonna get that unboxing for y'all. And I guess y'all can run a few errands with me, I guess, if I do something today. I won them Wednesday on I'm Year. They just now getting here. They were supposed to be here Friday, but whatever. I won before everybody and got them after everybody, but I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was gonna have a full day of workout and full day of things, just shit that I could show y'all. Bro, do y'all understand? I just ran in the heat of Houston. Excuse the junk. It ain't really junky, but I'm not gonna waste no more y'all time. Even though I got other shit to do. This is the box. I'm not gonna show you the front because it has the address on there. I need to find my Acto knife. And what's crazy is only the people that's gonna watch this video, if anybody ever watches it, gonna know that I'm faking opening this up for my reels and TikTok or shorts. But I'm really opening it now. Let me show y'all. Like, this bitch is sealed, bro. It's sealed for real right now. But I'm gonna fake this part when I get to, y'all know what I'm saying, bro. I ain't gotta explain that shit. I'm tired, bro. I'm super tired. And I still gotta go to the fucking grocery store. Fuck! And I ain't gonna lie. These hoes going straight to feet with what I got on. And I really got on some bullshit. Supreme tee, just some regular basic sweat. No tripping. So excited. Hey, them niggas take forever to send your shit out, bro. I won Wednesday, and I'm just getting these today, which is a Monday. And they were supposed to come on Friday. It just takes so long from all I'm in here. Everybody been enjoying their shoes, and then you got me just not getting them. And it's dusty, bro. What's up? Black Virginia box. Yes, sir. We got the size 9. It's a big ass box. I guess the shoe is big. All right, here we go. I'm not gonna lie, the box is pretty stiff. It's not flimsy or nothing. Like, what the fuck? These hoes are huge. Hey, also, I know this was like everybody got these and it was easy to get. The videos show this shoe no justice, bro. This bitch is amazing. Hey, like I said, they gotta go straight to feet. Damn. So I have never watched a review on these or nothing, but Lord, I never thought they was gonna be like this. And the top down view, nuts. This is absolutely crazy. The detail and the work put into these, man, at first I was tripping. I was like, damn, I got the pair that everybody gonna have. I just gotta get more pairs now. I was like, damn, I got the pair that everybody gonna have. I just got to get more pairs now. I might go back and get a cheaper one, the cheapest one. I'm not gonna get the black one. I might shoot for the blue one, or just try to get the ones that release after these, which is a similar colorway. I'm not tripping on it. I paid the $3, I ain't tripping. The final test is gonna be if they comfortable on feet. It got what the fuck is a torsion system? Like these bitches, hey, the videos do these no justice, I'm telling you. It's not even a white shoe. What is the white, white, sea brown? The fuck that mean? I think that means cream white, off-white, and cream brown, maybe? Yeah, and they glow in the dark, so maybe if I cut this off, it'll, no, because I have another light on. But, hey, these, bro, these are hard. It was really worth the wait. Oh, it is glowing a little bit. You can't see it. You're not gonna be able to see it on camera. You got other videos for that if you wanna see them glow in the dark, but like I said, gotta go straight to feet. I waited too long for a pair of these. I gotta see what they look like on feet. And I probably won't show y'all. I just gotta see how they feel real quick. I might take them right back off because I didn't think that was gonna be this live in person. So since they are, I gotta get a fit off with these. I was just gonna run to the store and I still might do it just cause I said I was. I'm not really a fan of breaking shoes in, I will. But if you're not comfortable breaking shoes in, I probably would go up a half a size. Comfort, as far as comfort, I got a different level of comfort. I ran track, so that shit just be like, people call anything comfortable to me. And I don't be feeling it. I'm running to the store and these bitches, look at these hoes, bro. Crazy. Gotta take the tag off because I am finna hit the streets in these. We are un-DSing these on spots. You hear me? I can't. I'm gonna have to shoot my reel first. So when I do that, I'm gonna show y'all that I'm in the, ooh, I'm ashy. I'm gonna fix that. But I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna show y'all when I'm in the store, did I really put these hoes on feet? Ain't no game, fool. But these hoes hard. Hey, if you didn't get them, if you didn't hit on them, they're gonna be everywhere. Please don't do yourself a disservice. Go get these, bro. Don't let nobody talk you out of them because it's rare. They're not white at all, actually. There's no white on the shoe. The whole shoe is cream. There's no white on the shoe. Go get the fucking shoe. I thought I was gonna dye these. I'm not dyeing them. These hoes are crazy though. These are better than the black, no, the white and with the black stripes. These are way better than those. Killing those. It's a pretty heavy shoe. This top down is crazy, bro. Look how big that shit is, bro. Look how fucking big this shit is. Hold on, I gotta compare this to another shoe. I can't even. All right, everybody knows what these are. How wide this shoe is. Bro, it's killing this hoe. Puma is thin. Killing this hoe, bro. If you want a pair of Jellyfish, these are sitting, go get them, bro. That's all, bro. Went straight to feet, like I said, at the grocery store. Picking up a little, whatchamacallits. Jokes on you, I'm still alive. Throw your hands up to the sky and say, we don't care what people say. Health is wealth. I'm in the cheese section. I need to hurry up and get out of here because I gotta go to work tomorrow. It's 6:22. I need to be in the bed for real. I ain't gonna lie, bro. One of my toes is killing me in these shoes, bro. But other than that, these hoes comfortable around the ankle and shit. Definitely comfortable around the ankle and shit, but killing me around the toe. My left foot, and it might be my toenail, bro, but I don't know. This bitch killing me though. I need to hurry up and get to the crib and see what the problem is. This might just be one of them ones where I have to take the insole out, which I hate doing that shit, bro. Or I just might have to break these hoes in more. But they comfortable other than that. The other foot is great. Feels marvelous. Surprised me on the comfort, actually. Damn, I'm mad at that, bro. Cause my toe is barking in this bitch. Now it's time to get to the cribbo. My thoughts on these, bro? Not gonna lie. The more I walked in them, they did get a little better. I had to do the little method where you tap the back of your heel to create space. I had to do that a couple of times. I'm just yapping. But yeah, let me show y'all one more on feet. Clean, you hear me? Clean. These hoes straight to the feet. Definite cleanery. Yeah, bro, I need to get home. This motherfucker look like the goddamn, it look like the club just got let out. I gotta get up out this shit. Pretty sure. One thing I know, two things for sure. It's hot than a motherfucker. You hear me? Damn, it's hot. I feel like y'all spent the whole day with me. This is cool. I have never, oh, let me take these out. I was looking like a dweeb, but I never vlogged before. Ooh, I hope y'all ain't hit my brakes. Y'all gonna find out on post. But I ain't never act like I had money either. But I ain't never vlogged. So this is new to me. I don't know. Seatbelt first, click the ticket, safety first, all that good shit. I ain't never had time to vlog or felt like I had anything important in life to show people. So today was just one of those days where I just happened to get a shoe in the mail and I unboxed it, and instead of doing just like a shoe review, I gave y'all a little day in the life. Oh, look at that sun glistening. This is really my skin. This is no filter. Letting you know that it's like that. Yo, man, I'll see y'all when I get to the crib. Got a nice little drive to the house. Cut some jams on it. I don't want to get yellow marked on the video. I'm only gonna get 3 views on it. Had one more stop, man. Gotta come to another grocery store to get a goddamn, man, I gotta stop doing this. Should be looking weak. Gotta get a goddamn money order on niggas. Gotta pay to stay. And that is real. This is how I know I'm so new to this shit, bro. I was in there the whole time thinking I was recording. I was getting some good foot. No, sir. That bitch was not recording, bro. The whole time, bro. So I just went and got a motherfucking, can't show y'all. I just got the joint, just see, I just got the money order. Tried to get some foot for y'all, bro. Showing me spend that money on. That shit was not recording, bro. I feel like a cluck. Like an old nigga, bro, that don't know how to work his phone. Why the fuck that shit wasn't recording, bro? Then I tried to get my shoes. I'm mad, bro. See y'all when I really get home, because I'm really on the way home now, bro. Damn, dog. All right, we back at the crib. Put them to work. They clean, bro. Damn, I already got lint and shit on the inside of the shoe. I don't like that. What I don't like, something bad I can say about them, is these little scales on the side, or whatever you want to call them, will, if you're just outside in the world, will attract dust. It's gonna attract some kind of dust, but other than that, bro, these good. You see, I put these bitches. I had these on the floor, on the ground. Fit wasn't even all that, but I had some pants that covered it. I don't think these are gonna fit in the box though. I don't think they're gonna fit, bro. We finna see. I don't know if that shit came from my socks or what, but I got stains in this bitch already. They did come from my socks. I got on white socks with some bullshit on the socks, bro, because I don't wash my white socks separately. Damn, so I got a little lint stuck in there and shit. You probably can't even see it on camera. You see that shit? I'm fucking up. But let's see if these hoes gonna fit. Damn, bro, damn. Right here, I went straight to feet. I ain't went straight to feet in so long with some shit that cost this much or that was this valuable to me. But I'm finna see if these hoes fit. These hoes not fitting. They'll fit, but you gotta probably lay them in there sideways or something. Damn, I done broke this up. And it pushed the whole shit back. So yeah, not gonna fit in the box. Broke that, I popped it back in place, it's cool. I probably won't be wearing these again till it get cold outside. In Houston, that can be fucking the end of November, or it could be the beginning of January. These are gonna be a cool, cold shoe where you're not gonna be doing too much. You're gonna be doing chill shit. Streets kind of clean, it ain't been raining and shit. You ain't gonna catch too much dirt and shit flying through the air. I won't be wearing these for a while unless I just get a cold ass fit. I think I had a good productive day. Tomorrow I'm back to work. Let me know if y'all fuck with the little vlog action, bro. Every time I get a shoe, maybe I'll do that. Instead of just talking about the shoe, I can just take y'all through my day or whatever, how my days be. Today just happened to be an off day and I got my shoes today. Don't nobody want to see no sneaker review. It's all the same shoes and shit, bro. But since the last time I made a video, I picked up the ice cream joints, the pink and the red. I guess they call it lemonade. I picked up the green Jumpman Jacks, Travis Scott's, the yellow and green Forces, patent leather. I think I made a video on the purple 10s. I probably didn't. Probably just made a reel or something with those. But anyway, man, if y'all fuck with the video, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all niggas next time. And it won't be that long. It ain't gonna be as long as last time. It ain't gonna be that fast, but it won't be that long. Fuck with me. Hey, I might have a haircut too. It's getting too hot for this shit. This shit getting too long. Gotta go back to my fade with the waves. I'm yapping. Holla at me, bro. See y'all next time.